Dipper is a membrane-type automatic pool cleaner designed for above-ground pools up to 5.5 meters or 18 feet. The minimum pump power required is half a horsepower with a minimum flow rate of 5 cubic meters an hour or 1,300 gallons an hour. Its diaphragm technology ensures easy passage of debris and low maintenance due to just one moving part. This enables a silent and fast operation. The hoses are easy to set up through the wall skimmer or dedicated suction line. Dipper is suitable for both flat or inclined bottom pools and will automatically clean your pool quickly and quietly.